Good day, everyone. Today we are all going to be learning about COVID-19. We all know since last year what COVID-19 is. COVID-19 is the acronym for coronavirus disease of 2019. You see, it started late 2019, which ran into 2020. We all went on a national lockdown, international lockdown, March 2020, and it was eased a little September 2020 before we have been having gradual easing of the lockdown. What exactly is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a virus that disturbs your lung, your breathing, your respiratory system, in which you are going to have difficulty in breathing, which can actually lead to death. Symptoms of COVID-19: we have headaches, we have loss of taste and smell, we have sore throat, we have fever. We have in some cases, we have where you feel sick, you feel like vomiting. Other, like most common illnesses are like the symptoms of common cold, where you have catarrh, so mostly flu. But that's why some people actually take the symptoms of common cold as COVID-19, which has caused a ruckus in the whole country. Right now, there is the distribution of AstraZeneca vaccine in the whole of Nigeria, in which 800 million doses was brought to Nigeria some weeks back, and the president, his vice, and other important people are all taking their jabs of vaccine, and now the vaccine has been going worldwide, and the vaccine has been going around the country. So, what exactly can we do to curb the spread of COVID-19? Because at this stage that we are in community transmission, that is person-to-person transmission. What can we use to curb the spread of COVID-19 in our country? That is wearing of our face mask. That is why we are all expected to go out with our face masks. While we are out, if we are not able to wash our hands, we should always go out with a portable sanitizer bottle. That is whenever we are in contact with any hard surfaces or people, or whenever we are in contact with people, we always have to sanitize our hands. And immediately we get to, we wash our hands for at least 20 seconds and sanitize again. Whether if you're using a disposable mask, immediately you use it, you have to throw it away. While if you're using a reusable nose mask, you have to get to wash, iron, and get ready to use it the next time. In this time of COVID-19, although we have been asked to observe social distancing, that doesn't mean we have to distance ourselves from our loved ones and relatives. We can call, text message, just to keep in touch with our relatives and to comfort ourselves in these trying times. Thank you.